Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. In this video, we are demonstrating Docker Compose. We are moving one step ahead in our Docker series. Docker Compose is used to run multiple containers as a single service. For this, we require a Docker file which would start both containers without starting each one separately. We also require the existing Docker file for our Node application server, which we have already created in our earlier video. We are using MD Express server and MongoDB to demonstrate Docker Compose. Resources and Git repo links are provided in the video description. Let us begin. We need a compose file which will serve as a configuration for Docker application services. We are going to create docker-compose. We need few elements to configure this file. Services, where we are going to use the server key and specify the build, which will be the build which is created with the Node.js application. We need to specify ports and links. This will be served as the alias name for services to connect. We can also specify env file if we have one, but for now we are not having it, so we are skipping it. Now we are going to configure the database. We need to specify the image. And again port. On which Mongo is going to be connected. So this completes our docker compose.yml file. Now we are going to start the Docker Compose. First, we are going to see the images. Do we have any images? No, we don't have any images. Neither any containers are running in our Docker. Now we are going to see Docker Compose by using command docker compose up. Now as you can see, our MD Express server container and the Bitmongo container started to running. Now you have seen we have used docker compose up command. So when we have used that command, it shows everything on the console. The logs have been shown over here. So we can run this by using docker compose up with -d. So for that, we are going to stop this by pressing Ctrl C. So it is going to force quit. Now we have seen that MD Express server container and Bitmongo container has been stopped. Now we are going to start in daemon mode. So we are going to write docker compose up with -d option. So once it is going to start all the containers, it is just going to give us the message as container started. Now we are going to see the execution over here. So we are going to hit the localhost 4000. So we can see MD Express server running. Now we are going to hit the MongoDB route, create route, so that this data is get created in the MongoDB. So see, the data has been created. Now we are going to retrieve with the retrieve route. So the data which is created by using create route, it's now been retrieved. So this is how we are going to use the Docker Compose up. As we have seen, our containers have been running successfully. Both container, we have not executed them separately. We have started with the help of Docker Compose up. Now we are going to close them by using Docker Compose down. So Docker Compose down have successfully removed the Express server and the Mongo server and the network also. So this is how we complete our tutorial for using Docker Compose file, which help us to run multiple container using one configuration. Thank you for watching with us. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.